Yo, what up, y'all? Listen, so today, man, let's talk about purchasing a vehicle, right? So many of us want to purchase a car, right? So many people want to purchase a car. Now, there's one easy way, right, to get a car where you don't got to go to the lot, and it is buying a car with your bank instead of just going straight to the car lot, right? Now, we're going to get into what that means, right? That way, you don't got to shop around. You don't got to get your credit dinged a whole bunch of times, a whole bunch of inquiries. You're going to go straight to the lot with the check, and this is exactly how you do it, right? Now, number one, right? Right above that Merry Christmas sign, guys, we have you need a pre-approval, right? Instead of going straight to the lot, guys, you want to get pre-approved from your bank. All right. So now I'm gonna give you an example. Say you want to get a 2018 Charger, right? Now you're gonna see if you can get approved for that amount. If you can get approved for that amount, now you're gonna take that check. The bank is gonna literally write you a check, right, based on your credit score, based on your income and your history and everything that you provide. The bank is gonna write you a check. You're gonna literally be able to take that check in the amount of 30,000 and go purchase that car, right? Directly. You don't gotta keep going through a bunch of banks. You don't gotta keep getting your credit dinged a bunch of times, right? How many credit reports do I see? Just auto financing inquiries all over the report, and sometimes they can be more difficult to get off, and then sometimes they can be easier, right? Depending on the time span and what's going on with that account, right? Now, the thing about it is, when you go straight to your bank, you don't have a car salesman really trying to just sell you on what type of car you get, right? Because the higher the note, the higher the interest rate, right? So then if you're able to get a car that is a little bit less and you just want to make sure it's in your price range, guys, you can pretty much kind of get better interest rate because you may have chosen to go with a lesser expensive car than a more expensive car, right? And you may potentially be able to get more money from the bank. Like I said, depending on your credit strength, on where your credit score is at, where your income is at, you may even be able to get more money from your bank, right? Which brings me to my next point, which is your lender is your friend. Your lender is your friend, guys. At the end of the day, lenders want to loan money. That's why they're in business. They want to loan money. Now, lenders have this certain qualification on what you need to have in order to receive that money, but they do want to loan money. So, like I told you guys in the previous video, sometimes if you don't know what is required for you to be able to get X, Y, and Z. Not only can you ask me, but you can also go directly to your banks and your lenders and just ask questions whenever you may stop in a bank, right? All right, now lastly, this is very important. Now, whether you didn't, bought your car through the bank, and your bank may provide you with an auto loan, whether you went straight to the dealer and just got financing through another bank, or whatever the case may be, if you fail to repay your car payments, it can still get repossessed, right? No matter how you decide to buy your vehicle, unless it was all cash, your car, if you did any type of financing, your car can still get repossessed, which affects your credit score and hurts your credit score negatively, right? And that brings me to what I said earlier about making sure the car that you get, it may be nice, but make sure it is the car you can afford, right? If you're going to go get a car note for $500-600, you're going to get a car note for that much, and that's not including your maintenance, your gas, and any other issues that may come with that car. You want to be very mindful of how much your note and how much you want to spend, right? And your lender will be able to review that with you, and that's another reason why it's important to go directly through your lender instead of just going to the car lot. Because the car lot, they just want the commission. They're going to sell you the car. Don't really care about your finances, what's going on with your situation, right? So you want to go straight to your bank. You want to get pre-approved. You already have your check. You already picked out your vehicle, and you're going to go through way less hassle and just be able to have that check right there, which also gives you negotiating power, right? Because when you go in the bank, guys, and you got straight 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 I check right in their face, man. They do not want to turn down that money, and it gives you a little bit more leverage and power, right? So be mindful even on auto loans because these can be longer term loans, right? So be careful with your buying decisions. Always negotiate, use your buying power. It is a seller's market. Everything is for sale, guys, and I'm going to see y'all next time. Peace.